Here we've set up for a pull. This is 300 kc mole, aluminum, stranded. We've got 3-phase, neutral, ground. There's all coiling up over there. And into that J box in the roof there. It's getting pulled to the far side of this factory. This is a small steelworks facility, depending on your perception of steelworks. Just a couple of warehouses. There's a junction box down the far end. They got a lift up over there and they pulling it down. It's about a halfway point, and then it's going to go down to another J box. Disconnect down the other end. This end coming out of that J box, it's going to run along, take a 90, come down the wall. We've got a 200 amp panel over there. So we're doing this in stages. So first stage is off the spools, up into that J box, down the length of this first warehouse, where we pull in most of the length that we need to go to the next end, and then they're going to pull in using a tugger down the far end to pull it through that J box to the disconnect down the other end. A lot of fun, a lot of exercise. Getting the exercise today.